Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies and exploring the incredible power of herbs. Specifically, we're putting your immune system in the spotlight and showcasing 10 powerful herbs that can help give it a boost. First up, we have Echinacea, a popular herb that's been traditionally used to fight off infections, especially the common cold. This powerful plant has been a staple in herbal medicine for centuries, known for its ability to boost the body's natural defenses. Echinacea contains active compounds that support your immune cells, enhancing their ability to respond to threats. These compounds work by increasing the number of white blood cells, like those amazing white blood cells that are on the front lines fighting off those nasty invaders. By stimulating these cells, Echinacea helps your body to more effectively combat viruses and bacteria, keeping you healthier and more resilient. Next, we have a kitchen staple that's more than just a flavor enhancer: garlic. This humble bulb has been used for centuries in various cultures, not only for its unique taste but also for its medicinal properties. Allicin, a powerful compound in garlic, has antimicrobial and antiviral properties, making it a natural warrior against infections and illnesses. It helps your body fight off harmful microbes by boosting the activity of your immune cells, ensuring they are ready to attack any invaders. So, adding garlic to your diet is a delicious way to give your immune system an extra layer of defense. Whether you add it to soups, sauces, or salads, this pungent protector is a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall health. Moving on to another culinary superstar, we have ginger. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory, playing a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune response. Its anti-inflammatory properties help keep inflammation in check so your immune system can function at its best. Now let's talk about turmeric. Curcumin, the powerful compound in turmeric, is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, crucial for keeping your immune system functioning optimally. Let's explore the fascinating world of adaptogens, starting with Astragalus, an incredible herb that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. This powerful plant has a rich history and is known for its remarkable health benefits. Adaptogens like Astragalus help your body adapt to various forms of stress, which can otherwise weaken your immune system over time. By incorporating adaptogens into your routine, you can enhance your body's resilience. Astragalus specifically helps your body better cope with stress, significantly reducing its negative impact on your immune system. This not only supports your overall health but also boosts your body's natural defenses, making you more resilient to illnesses. Next up, we have elderberry, known for its immune-boosting potential. Packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C, elderberry supports a healthy immune response. Enjoy it as a syrup, juice, or supplement to give your immune system some extra love, especially during cold and flu season. Let's talk about ginseng, another powerful adaptogen. Ginsenosides in ginseng enhance the activity of immune cells, making them more efficient at fighting off harmful invaders. Moving on to licorice root, an herb used for centuries in traditional medicine. Licorice root supports your respiratory system, soothing irritated airways and loosening mucus. It also possesses antiviral and immune-boosting properties. Let's move on to oregano, a culinary herb with immune-boosting properties. Oregano is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to a healthy immune system. Carvacrol in oregano has powerful antimicrobial properties, inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and other microbes. Last but certainly not least, we have holy basil, also known as tulsi. Holy basil is an adaptogen, helping your body adapt to stress and maintain balance. It's also known for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which further contribute to its immune-supporting effects. So there you have it, 10 powerful herbs that can help give your immune system the natural boost it needs to thrive. Remember, incorporating these herbs into your diet or wellness routine can be a delicious and effective way to support your overall health and well-being.